Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up the Shop Protect widget, a powerful tool that safeguards your store content by preventing unwanted copying, dragging, or inspection. With this widget, you can protect your product images, text, and collections, keeping your stores safe. Accessing the widget. To access the Shop Protect widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets. Select the Shop Protect. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Professional Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Shop Protect. Here, you can customize all settings. Disable image copying. Use this setting to prevent customers from copying images from your store. Simply enable to block image copying, or disable if you want to allow it. Disable image dragging and dropping. This option stops shoppers from dragging and dropping images off your site. Again, just toggle between enable or disable. Disable product text copying. Similar to the image settings, this lets you restrict shoppers from copying your product descriptions or text content. Choose enable to block copying or disable to allow it. Disable article text copying. This setting works the same way as the product text setting, but for articles or blog content on your store. You can choose to restrict or allow text copying here. Disable best-selling collection. With this setting, you can prevent customers from seeing your best-selling collection, helping you control what is visible on your site. Disable inspect element. This is a powerful feature that prevents users from opening the Inspect Element tool on your store. This adds an extra layer of security and prevents any accidental data exposure. And that's it. Your Shop Protect widget is now set up. By customizing it, you can protect your store's unique content, prevent unauthorized copying, and maintain a professional browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.